Brad Williams, XL Prime. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the COUNTIF function, and then not listed here, but we're also going to throw in the sum product. Here, we're going to count anything less than 0. Then we're going to count anything greater than 0 using the COUNTIF function. And then, just as a side note, we're going to throw a sum product COUNTIF in here. And why? Why not? Here we go. Here's our information. We have golfers and we have players. They get points for something. I don't know what. Maybe they're playing cards, or maybe they get penalized because of their play. The point is, I have an F9 here, and maybe it's a positive number, maybe it's a negative number. Our job here is just to count everything that's less than 0. Here, you can use the COUNTIF function to determine how many cells in a list contain negative numbers. All we're going to do is count everything less than a specific number. Here is the structure, COUNTIF less than 0. Where are we counting? We're counting the range C5 to C10. That's the range. What's the criteria? Less than 0. Then we're just going to go over and do the exact same, and we're going to count everything greater than 0. If we look, COUNTIF C5, C10 less than 0. So take a look. How many are less than 0? 1, 2, 3. Go to the next example. Greater than 0. 1, 2, 3. Now I have this sum product in here. Why? Just to throw it at you because we're going to use it later. Just saw we can do the same thing without the sum product using the same criteria. The sum product allows you to include the exact same format because sum product is doing is looking for an array. And what's the array? Just think of it as number 3. COUNTIF is doing all the work, and then sum product is going to go 1 times 3 and comes up with 3. Why the overkill with sum product? As I said, the sum product is not important here, but the sooner you're introduced to sum product, the easier it'll be to understand what it's trying to do. It's going to sum up a bunch of information, and if it had multiple arrays, you could see the effectiveness there. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.